Welcome to Motorline Toyota Bristol South. My name is Wesley Cole and I'm the Centre Principal. We are conveniently located in southeast Bristol, in Brislington, and we're lucky enough to be right next door to the park and ride, so it's very easy to get to. We have ample parking available, so there's never a problem getting a parking space. We stock something in the region of 60 to 70 used cars. We also have every new car in the range available for sale, and unlike most businesses, we also have a dedicated business centre next door, which caters for all your commercial needs as well. When you buy a new car from us, you get a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. We've got a modern, up-to-date workshop with all the current diagnostic tools required to look after and maintain the latest technology. All of our technicians go through a very comprehensive training programme. We invest thousands of pounds into our technicians to make sure that they work to a very high standard. What makes Toyota Bristol South stand out from other businesses is the atmosphere and the attitude when you come into the business. Everybody in the business is customer focused and has a really good attitude towards providing that level of service for our customers. I'm very proud of my team at Toyota Bristol South. We've spent a lot of time recruiting and developing the right people to look after our customers. Every single person that works in the business is somebody that you'd want to sit down and talk to, but more importantly is somebody that would listen.
Right, let's go to the VIP section.
If you speak to any member of our team that works here, they'll all tell you that one of the most exciting things about working here is seeing that customer's face when they see their brand new car for the first time when they come and collect it. That's absolutely the best bit of the job for us.
Oh my